This video is based on desktops BIOS UEFI updating BIOS. So you've clicked on next, you've downloaded the BIOS file, and then you go to next here, and then all of a sudden you get this page and you don't know what to do. You don't know the next step to install the firmware. Well, stay tuned and I will show you what to do. This is the correct way. Follow my steps. Make sure you select change. Copy this text and create a new folder on your desktop and rename it as this. The BIOS UEFI file will now start the firmware installation. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and check my other videos too. Thank you for watching.